Breaking news coming in on the Morbi Bridge Collapse. The High Court has asked what disciplinary proceedings have taken place. Why wait for a special investigation team report? The High Court further asked, does this magnitude of tragedy not warrant superseding and taking over? Take action or we will have to pass orders. Gujarat High Court asked why responsible officers of Nagar Palika, Morbi, are not suspended. The Gujarat High Court asked state municipal authorities to explain how the contract was signed and by whom. So there is accountability which is being fixed by the Gujarat High Court now on the Morbi Bridge Collapse. Pertinent questions coming in straight from the Gujarat High Court as far as this tragedy is concerned. Pulling up the state government right ahead of the election actually. High Court is going on to ask what are the disciplinary proceedings that have taken place so far. They've also further gone on to ask why wait for an SIT report. Does the magnitude of the tragedy not warrant superseding and taking over? The High Court further goes on to say, take action or we will have to pass orders. The Gujarat High Court asks why the responsible officers of Nagar Palika, Morbi, not suspended, and has asked state municipal authorities to explain how contract was signed and by whom was it signed. Anisha Mathur joins us for the very latest. Anisha, some scathing observations coming in from the Gujarat High Court. Finally, some accountability being fixed. The High Court has asked some rather pertinent questions. What has been the response of the defendants in this case?
Well, at the moment, as we speak, the hearing is ongoing and very, very scathing observations from the Gujarat High Court. In fact, it has asked the Gujarat government when the Municipality Act allows the state government to in fact take over and dissolve the municipality. If there is incompetence or default, then why has it not taken any action? So as we speak, the Gujarat High Court is asking the state very pointed questions on what kind of action have been taken not only against the erring officials but also against the municipality itself. So, very clearly, the Gujarat High Court saying that the municipal authorities were very clearly at fault, that they have sat on the decision of handing over and giving a proper contract for the bridge.
The states and municipal authorities both, Anisha, to explain how the contract was signed, by whom the contract was signed. The onus now and the ball definitely is in the defendant's court.
Well, yes, most certainly. The court is asking all of these questions. Who exactly signed the contract? Was there a proper contract? But what is also important is that the court is asking, when this is a magnitude, this kind of a magnitude of tragedy has occurred, then why has nobody been held accountable? Why has no one been suspended? Why hasn't the municipality itself been superseded? In addition, they've said that for 13 years this was on a temporary contract. The municipality did not bother to give a proper contract, and it is asking the state and the municipality to answer exactly what has been happening with regard to this bridge. And as we speak right now, the hearing is currently ongoing. The court is asking the state, why have you not taken any action against the municipality itself? So we are going to see some very clear orders coming in from the Gujarat High Court today, which is not just wrapping but very clearly pointing putting the onus of responsibility on the municipal authorities and the state.
Right. We'll come back to this story, Anisha, because the arguments are still going on. From what I understand from you, we're cutting straight across to the other breaking news coming in at this point.